Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. The small village of Keremeos is set in the Similkameen Valley, British Columbia. This community is surrounded by rolling hills, open skies, and fertile ground that has supported people here for generations. The landscape feels dry and sunlit, shaped by a climate that is warmer and more arid than much of British Columbia, giving Keremeos a character all its own. Long before the arrival of settlers, this valley was home to the South Okanagan Nation. They lived in balance with the land, following seasonal patterns and relying on the river, plants, and wildlife for survival. The Similkameen River was central to this way of life, providing a steady source of water and acting as a natural route through the valley. These deep roots remain an important part of the region's identity today. The name Keremeos is believed to come from an indigenous word meaning meeting of the winds, a fitting description for a place where shifting air currents move through the valley. European settlement in the area began in the late 19th century, as ranchers and farmers were drawn by the potential of the land. Early homesteaders faced a challenging environment, but they quickly recognized the valley's potential for agriculture. By the early 20th century, irrigation systems were introduced, transforming the dry land into productive farmland. Water diverted from nearby sources allowed orchards and crops to thrive, and Keremeos soon became known for its fruit production. Apples, cherries, peaches, and apricots all found a home here, supported by long, warm summers and relatively mild winters. Farming became the backbone of the local economy, shaping the identity of the community. The arrival of transportation routes played a key role in the village's growth. As roads improved and connections expanded, Keremeos became more accessible to nearby towns and markets. This allowed farmers to ship their produce beyond the valley, helping the community grow steadily over time. Though it never became large, Keremeos developed into a reliable agricultural center within the region. In 1944, a devastating fire destroyed much of the original town site. Rather than rebuilding in the same location, the community shifted slightly, establishing what is now considered modern Keremeos. Today, Keremeos is often called the fruit stand capital of Canada, a title that reflects its long-standing connection to agriculture. Roadside stands and local markets offer fresh, seasonal produce, much of it grown just a short distance away. The surrounding environment adds depth to the experience of the area. The hills and mountains that frame the valley create a sense of openness, while also protecting the region from heavier coastal weather. The result is a landscape that feels both expansive and sheltered, with wide views and a quiet sense of space. Keremeos is also shaped by its proximity to neighboring communities like Coston and Headley, each contributing its own piece to the larger story of the Similkameen Valley. Together, these places form a network of small communities connected by history, geography, and shared experience. Even as the world changes, Keremeos has held on to a slower pace of life. It remains a place where agriculture still matters, where seasons shape daily routines, and where the connection to the land is visible in nearly every direction. From Indigenous stewardship to farming innovation and community resilience, it reflects the broader history of many small places across Western Canada. The valley continues to provide, just as it always has, supporting those who live and work here.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.